Yes, what's happening? Let me show you the brand new Ripley USO1 for removing the primary insulation. Now, just like any other cable, clamp it on and tighten it up. Then adjust the depth of the blade, not too tight. Spin it back just so you can check the blade. Make sure everything else is aligned. Put it in spiral and go. Look how quick this goes. Nice thick chunks. I can see this being super handy inside some cable boxes. Now, when you get to the last 5-10 mil, switch it to stop and then finish your last cut. Let it fall off into the puddle. And boom, nice square cut. Look at that. And look at that, nice and thick. Big up the Ripley USO1.